want our temperature sensor to come in under the edge of the black gold panel, so you're underneath the black portion. And then we're going to need to figure out where our pockets are going to go. So for that, we'll use our template and mark where we want those. And then that information, we can figure out where we're going to put our temperature sensor, something like that. And we'll mark out the rest of our wire routing here. Get everything out of the way and route our pockets. Perfect. Okay, and make sure our temperature sensor fits in here. It does.